Hey, this is what I sold on eBay. I sold 4 of these. That was $50 each. $50 each. The shipping in these packages is $7 and some. eBay. So I made eBay took their fee out. So I made like around $39 after the shipping and eBay fee on those. We got this power that sold on eBay, that sold on eBay. And so we finna show January the 21st, finna show you how to get that money. For example, these right here was a box of 6. It came in one of these, a pallet. I don't know what pallet it came in because we had it in the back for a minute. And that was $300 for this bag. So just imagine you paying $600 for a pallet or $500 for a pallet. And you got that case just sitting in the back. It can be a case that you don't even much know what it is. It's a case. And you making that much off for it. But what I done had some people that go to my TikTok video and they saw my TikTok video and they went and researched to find me from that TikTok. They went and clicked on the Instagram link that led them to Facebook or YouTube and they found me. So people say in marketing, you got to make yourself so visible that people can easily find you. What I want to say is the ones that really desire to do it, they'll come and find you. They'll come and find you. And that's kind of the people that I want to be connected with. The people that actually, they ain't see the information right there in the video or anything. They ain't see the link or anything to click on. They came and did their research to find me. Those people that's really going to be successful in this business. And I want to link up with those that's really going to be successful in the business. We want to teach you how to do it. So January the 21st, gonna be the class. I'm gonna have the link below. Click on that link. That'll take you so you can purchase. You can purchase the course, the workshop link. So we got general admission $325. It comes with a $300 worth of merchandise, so you can get started right away with just your initial investment. Now for $497 is the VIP, and it gives you access to the course. I mean, you can go and look on it time and time again, got a workbook and everything. That gives you access to the course. When the course release, it's gonna be $997 for the course. So VIP also get a chance to join the Facebook. We have a private group that will be giving you information. Also, you get a 30-minute one-on-one. It can be in person or it can be a video Zoom with Coach Ron. So let's link up, baby. Oh, now yada.